So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Amazing. Wow. Hey boy. Let's go. So we have all the animals here. We have king. We have one of the strongest animal in the jungle. We have cow. First cow. Oh my goodness. Look at the speed. It's time for tiger, guys. I don't know how to sound that, but tiger have that yellow one. Oh my goodness, look at the bear, guys. Look at the bear. Look at the run, bro. The speed so. Wow. Man. Amazing. Just looking like a wow. Looking like a wow. Amazing. Woo. Wow. Interesting. Amazing. No, why it's gliding right now? Oh my goodness. Way. Woo. Oh my god. It's gliding right now. Time for beer. Woo. Let's start, guys. Let's start to make it. Oh my goodness. Look at the lion. Blue. Look at the elephant, guys. Look at the elephant. Looking like crazy right now. Look at the elephant, guys. Crazy. Woo. So we have that first level. That's our first level, guys. We have to skip that. So let's start. Amazing. Woo. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start. Let's start this game again and again. And if you really like this video, subscribe for daily video, guys. We have duck, yellow duck, red duck, blue duck, green duck, and pink duck. Woo! Give cheers, guys. Let's start. First, the red one. Let's make it, guys. 1, 2, 3. Woo! It's time for cow. Let's make it again and again. Let's show about that. What you doing? Yeah, it's time for cow, baby. Cow eat burger, then treasure. More. Woo! Ah, that's good sound, right? Shoot. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You got it. Amazing. Woo! It's time for yellow one. Let's go. Oh my goodness. It's time for blue one. How? Let's go. Who is that? The buffalo. Oh my goodness. Let's go, buffalo. I'm with you. Woo! That's blue one. Woo! Buffalo ate burger. Then we broke the treasure right now. Woo! Wow, interesting. So guys, look at the saying, right? 1, 2, 3. Woo! You got it, baby. You got it. Woo! Cheers. It's time for yellow one. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! It's time for dinosaur, baby. Give cheers for dinosaur, guys. Woo! The yellow dinosaur. Look at the dinosaur. Grace is looking so dangerous. Woo! It's bigger now. It's bigger. Bro, looking so hot. Let's go inside the heart right now. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You got it. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for guys. You know, get ready for pink. Oh my goodness, they both are ready. Let's start. Woo! Let's start. Between monkey and elephant is gonna be a race. Let's see who wins first. Oh my goodness, look at the speed, guys. Look at the speed. They both are bigger. Look at the speed. Both of them are good running. Let's see what happened. Hey, crazy. 1, 2, 3. You both are win, guys. Congratulations. Woo! Yeah. Come on. You. It's time for second level, guys. That's our second level. Let's start with second level. Let's make it. That's our second level. We have that 5 football. And we have our contestants over there. 1, 2, 3. Woo. Second one. Oh, crazy. Third one. Yee. The fourth one. And the fifth one on annually. It's time for start. We have cat. We have. Oh, it's time for cat. Let's go. Meow. I'm with you, cat. I'm with you. Meow. Let's go. Oh my goodness, looking so cute. Cat converting dog. Yay! Woo, amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for lion. Woo. Go, go, lion, go. I don't know how to sound. Woo. Give cheers for lion, guys. Cheer up. Oh my goodness, lion going to into the like goat. Woo. Amazing. Yellow, green, red, blue. Let's go with buffalo, guys. It's time for buffalo. Let's start. How this possible? Buffalo into convert into monkey, bro. It's time to get in. It's time to get in. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, it's time for zebra. Wow. Let's go. Let's go, zebra. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Woo!
Oh yeah!
It's time to make it! Woo! 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 Ah! Wow! Amazing! Woohoo! Woohoo! It's time for guys dinosaur, the one and only. Woohoo! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go! Run, 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 run! Let's go! Woo! Wow! Dinosaur converting to hand! Ah! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Hooray!
Let's go! If you really like this video, guys, subscribe and subscribe for more video. Subscribe!
Good evening, parents and students. This is regarding the APAR ID forms. Those students who have not submitted the APAR ID form, please get it on 3rd Jan, on the first day when the school reopens. It is a very important. It is for your only benefit, students. So parents, please see to it that the APAR ID forms are submitted in school. Also, as your child's APAR ID is generated, you will be getting a message on your mobile. Please don't delete that message. Please save the message. It is the APAR ID generation message, which is very important. Next, there is a DG app which you have to download in your mobile and keep it. We will give you the information regarding it later. Please download the DG app on your mobile and keep. This APAR ID is very important as it will be helpful for your child's future's education. Wherever government scheme